Hey, spooky light. Who's that on my door? Let me go check. Let's see who's at my door. Hello?
What's up, my rainbow?
What?
My rainbow. Hey, I brought you some cookies.
Let me turn on the light. What?
I brought you some cookies.
Cookies?
Yeah.
Those are frozen chicken nuggets.
These are not frozen chicken nuggets. Look, I can eat them.
That's not good.
I just ate it.
That's not good for you.
Yes, it is.
Frozen
It's
cookies
delicious.
are not good for you.
Look, let me eat one again.
You just throw that on the floor.
No, I didn't. I
Look,
ate it.
there's two on the floor.
No, there's not.
You're making a mess in my house.
No, I'm not.
And you know what time it is? It's 1 a.m. What are you doing? So wait.
What you mean it's 1 a.m.?
It's 1 a.m. o'clock night. Everyone's asleep.
It is not no night time. It is party time.
No, it's not party time. It's sleepy time.
Party time. Party
Okay, wait.
Party
One.
time. Party time.
Hey, stop.
You like my new hair? It's red. I dyed it.
What happened to your hair?
I'm bald. Don't look at me.
I'm sorry. Why did you do that? Just hungry, that's it. That's why you made a mess in front of my property. That's illegal, you know. What?
No, it's not.
It is.
No,
It's
it's
1 o'clock. You're making me upset.
Cause I'm a cop. I will tell you. You won't talk to me. I'm gonna go get my badge. That's what.
Where are you going?
I'm gonna get my badge. Just like puppet dance.
She's crazy. Well, at least she's gone. She's crazy. What the? Where did you came from?
I will hurt you, little
Call the police! Help! Help!
No one messes with Keisha.
Please get out of my house or I'm gonna send my lion. Lion, I need you. I need your help. Can you stop vakisha?
That is it. I'm calling the police that you want to kill me.
Wait, you just said you're the police. She's weird.
Freaking weirdo.
You're weird.
I am not weird.
Leave my house.
Actually, you owe me because you need to buy me a hydro flask.
When?
You owe me because you stole my car.
I did not steal your.
I owe you my money, Bob, but you need to buy me a hydro flask.
Okay, just because your stuff missing, don't blame it on me, okay? Just
I'm my own neighbor, and I'm calling you.
we have more neighbors.
That's it. You want to go get me my gun, please? Hey, go get me my gun, please.
Help. Lion, I need your help.